On this episode of They Asked What? We looked for a woman who is searching for Tinder moments outside her marriage.
My husband found my Tinder profile and now wants to divorce me. What do I do?
You divorce him. Clearly you don't value him, your marriage, or your wedding vows. If you are married and have the disrespect towards him to be on a hookup site, then you have no business being married. I guarantee if the tables were turned, you would have already filed divorce papers. I can't believe you even asked that question. It's a no-brainer. You have hurt and embarrassed him in the most disgusting way. Cheating. Let that poor man go. You should give him your blessing in doing so.
I'm sorry to hear that you're going through this. It's important to have an open and honest conversation with your husband about the situation. You may want to seek couples counseling to address the issues and work towards a resolution. It's also important to take some time to reflect on your own feelings and priorities. Remember to take care of yourself during this difficult time. A few short moments of pleasure aren't worth losing a life full of ecstasy in marriage.
Man, I'm 23 and dream of the day I find a woman to marry and have kids with. Women like you ruin it for us men who have yet to find what you took for granted. I hope to God he respects himself enough to leave your ass and never look back.
Respect his wishes, he is looking out for himself. He sees your lack of self-respect does not match his self-respect. Nothing you can do, I wouldn't trust you one bit and do the same. Set him free. There's a better woman out there waiting to give him honesty and loyalty, who has integrity and lots of love to give him. And he knows it. Sounds like you broke his heart and he's not gonna stand for it. Good for him.
Make plans to enjoy your new single life. Men requirements in marriage are 3 simple things: respect, attention, and the most important thing is loyalty.